हाय गाइस, इट्स रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स के दो परफ्यूम्स का रिव्यू लेकर आई हूँ एंड दीज टू आर फ्लोरल फ्रेश फ्रेग्रेंसेस। द फर्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव इज मार्क्स जेकब डेजी परफ्यूम and the second one that I have is from Gucci. This is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, the pink beautiful bottle. These two are the ones that I'm going to review in today's video. Let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब किया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Before I begin with the review, just want to talk a few details about Platinum Perfume. This is a dupe house in India. They make around 80 to 90% similar fragrances or dupes to designer fragrances. Designer perfumes in India are for around 8,000, 10,000, so on and so forth. Whereas Platinum Perfumes makes it possible for you to kind of get a taste of designer fragrances at just around 350 rupees. Their 30 ml fragrances are for 350 rupees and their 50 ml fragrances are around 599 or 600. So they are very inexpensive. You can get a couple of 30 mls, test and try and see if they suit your scent profile, and based on that you can go either for the bigger bottle of Platinum Perfume or you can go for the original fragrance that this one is duping. So this just helps in making you know, the right decision for which designer you want to go for. I have almost like 20 bottles from Platinum Perfume. I love their fragrances. The bottles are travel friendly. These fragrances are high in quality. The perfume oil is good, and most of the time my experience has been good with the performance and the longevity and everything, and the scent profile does not smell synthetic. That is one of the good qualities that Platinum Perfume has, and I have not till now, whoever has tried Platinum Perfumes, most of the time they have given me good reviews that we tried your recommended perfume and we are very happy with the recommendation. So that's why, that is what motivates me also to get my hands. Plus these two perfumes, to be honest, were on my wish list from a very long time, and I did not have the budget to purchase the designers. So I thought, okay, they have it, at least I'll try and see if I like the scent profile to commit to a full bottle. So let's talk about the perfumes now. So I'm going to first talk about the Gucci fragrance. This one is Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia fragrance. This comes in a very pretty pink bottle with floral details on it. The moment I saw that bottle, I wanted to get it. Gucci fragrances perform really well. They are very famous for their quality, and that is the reason I wanted to try that. But because of budget, I went for this one, and I have to say I absolutely love the scent profile. The notes breakdown for this one is pear blossom, red berries, and Italian mandarin. Then it has gardenia, jasmine and frangipani, and in the base notes it has brown sugar and patchouli. Now from the notes breakdown you can tell that the opening is very zesty, fruity, fresh and juicy. The red berries mixed with Italian mandarin is just another level. It just has a most awakening, freshening and ekdam happy vibe. Yeah, it has a very happy vibe to it. Then the Gardenia Jasmine Frangipani give it like a white and yellow hint, floral hint. Very delicate, very feminine. It is so, sensitive kind of a fragrance. I really love how fresh, how sensitive, how delicate this perfume kind of smells. Then the brown sugar and patchouli add some hint of sweetness to this fragrance, and patchouli of course adds a little bit of that woodiness and maturity in this fragrance. So overall, this perfume bottle has impressed me. I find this to be good on everyday chores, going to office, going for groceries, working around the house, working from home. any of these scenarios, I think this is a very versatile fragrance. You can wear this during daytime because it's very light, airy and breezy. It's not something which will give headache. It's a very happy kind of a fragrance, very uplifting kind of a fragrance, puts you in a good mood, good start of the day, sort of sunshiny fragrance out there. And this is perfect for office wear because it is super non-offensive. Coming to the performance, this one is a long lasting fragrance. Consider one spray as 1 hour. So when I go with around 6 to 7 sprays, I get around 6 to 7 hours, which is a good performing fragrance. This does well in heat as well. So I applied this and I went to office. I commuted. It took me 30 minutes to reach, and even after that this was lingering and I could smell it. And after reaching to office, around 3 hours I was in office, and then I reapplied this to just refresh it. It had still not completely gone. So I was very happy that it survived the summer heat, and it was still doing well, it was still going well. This is also the kind of perfume which is going to give you compliments. So many people in my office notice this one and they say you are smelling so happy and so fresh. We basically like to engage in a conversation with you just because of the vibe of this perfume. So that's like a huge compliment, you guys. A perfume which exudes happiness, I think you should try this one. I love this. Super feminine, kind of reminds me of the color pink, if I may say so. It's delicate, it's feminine, it's good for all ages, and perfect daytime wear, beat any season. The next one is Daisies by Marc Jacobs. Now this one also was in my wish list for a long time. First of all, the bottle is absolutely stunning for this one. The moment I saw the bottle, I felt like it was a work of art, and any artistic thing really attracts me. So the bottle itself was so like calling my name that I had to go and try it. But again, the price tag is something that I can't get over with. So I went for this variant from Platinum Perfume. By the way, this is how their bottle looks like. Behind they have the logo, in front they have the name of the perfume. And this one has the notes of violet leaf, blood grapefruit, strawberry, then violet, gardenia, jasmine, musk, white wood and vanilla. This one is categorized as a white floral, ozonic, a fresh, sweet kind of a fragrance. Now you can see that it has a lot of violet presence to it, like violet leaf in the opening gives it like a herbal touch, yet a feminine floral purple feel to it. Then the grapefruit and strawberry give it a very fruity blast of opening. Again, this has a very juicy, very bright, very uplifting kind of an opening to it. Then it goes into violet, jasmine, gardenia. Gardenia jasmine is a very beautiful combination, and the gardenia just makes everything very delicate, very pretty, like pretty little things is what I can define this perfume as. So it just reminds me of that lilac violet color. It just has that kind of a feel to it. I find this to be slightly powdery as well, like the dry down of this perfume does go powdery because it has musk and white wood present in the base notes, cause the vanilla just binds the entire fragrance together. This is again from the same category of fresh, fruity, floral goodness, but these two fragrances are poles apart, like so different from each other that you can have both of them and you can enjoy them. In fact, you can even layer these two because I've tried that as well. The layering is also absolutely divine fragrance. Now again, this one is in the same genre as the previous one. Good casual wear, everyday wear, daytime wear, perfect office wear. This one is more unique as compared to the previous one that I showed you. This, the notes, the violet leaf and the violet just brings in that uniqueness in this perfume. So out of the two, this one is more unique. Again, this one reaches that 7-hour mark with 6 to 7 sprays. This one is again a strong projector, good sillage, creates a good scent bubble around me and a compliment getter. This is again a very feminine, delicate, a very lively, a very sunshine, sunny day kind of a fragrance. And again, you just cannot go wrong with these kind of fresh floral fragrances. Both of these fragrances are good performers and they are not synthetic. So I love overall the way they feel. They don't have any gourmand or any spicy or any woody notes to them. Everything is super subtle and they are fresh florals, both of them. If you are looking for feminine fresh floral fragrances, I think this video is especially for you. Rating for this one, both of them is 9.5 out of 10. Pricing, they are amazing. Quality amazing. Performance amazing. Scent profile amazing. So all in all, I'm just in love with both of them. So just in case if you were on a hunt of floral fragrances, I think these two are so good and you should give them a try. That was my review for these two perfumes from Platinum Perfume. These are one of the most easy reach fragrances for me. Just pick and go kind of fragrances. Put it in your purse and you're good to go. Casual outings and everywhere. This just is such a versatile kind of a fragrance that goes really well, sits really well with the crowd. This is a people pleaser fragrance, both of them, and these are compliment getters. So what else do we want at this price? Highly impressed with the quality, highly recommend it. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one. If you liked my video, do hit the like button. If you want me to try more variants of Platinum Perfume, do let me know which ones you want me to try and review it for you guys. Leave it in the comment section. I'll try and get my hands on those and I will review it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.